especially in the agricultural value chain for improved production.
Ekiombe kia bagavana gose Council of Governors nigo baganirie gose bakwanire igoro yoko bagwana bagokoro wechibesa guchiase chi county korwa se kigancha yechibesa gose treasury elio chichegokora amagendro ase chi county chonsi mense ya Kenya okwana nabarikia mangana ase ense nyumba ya Delta ime mucho Nairobi nigo abagavana bobo igo baburire serikali korigereria emerobererie rachie kogendereria chi county.
As the National Treasury to disburse the funds owed to counties without further delay. Amendments to the energy laws. We note with concern the recent amendments to the Statute Miscellaneous Amendments Bill 2022 that purports to amend sections 12(1)(e) and section 45(f) of the Energy Act 2019 to remove the representation of county governments to the Rural Electrification and Renewable Energy Cooperation (REREC) and the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority (EPRA). The Council objects the proposals as the same negate the spirit of Article 189 of the Constitution and the 4th schedule of the Constitution. We appeal to Parliament to reject the amendments as they are